Hello students, there is a good news for you. Now you can write the same matter at different speeds. Link of the same is given in the description box. Thank you. Start. Does the decision by a judge of the High Court after full hearing and with notice to both parties of an appeal against conviction on a minor charge bar the hearing by the High Court of a pending appeal by the state against the acquittal of the convict on a graver charge comprehending the aforesaid minor charge question mark. The facts which led to the reference are that accused was tried on charges under sections 302, 323, 307 and 451 of the Indian Penal Code by the additional sessions judge and was sentenced to 7 years rigorous imprisonment under section 304 Indian Penal Code and also to various terms of imprisonment under sections 323 and 324 of the Indian Penal Code. The sentences were ordered to run concurrently. Stop. He filed an appeal against his convictions and sentences to the High Court. Stop. This appeal came up for final hearing. Stop. Para. The learned judge, by his order, dismissed the appeal, maintaining the convictions and sentences passed against the accused. Stop. Before the decision of the appeal against the conviction of the accused, the state had also filed an appeal against his acquittal under section 302 Indian Penal Code. Stop. The division bench before whom the appeal against acquittal came for admission passed the following order: para. Criminal appeal was an appeal by the accused against his conviction. Stop. When this appeal came up for hearing, learned counsel appearing for the state prayed that the hearing of the appeal against conviction be postponed in view of the fact that the state had also preferred an appeal against his acquittal. Stop. The learned judge, it appears, proceeded to hear the appeal against conviction and disposed it of by his judgment dated the 31st of August 1956. Stop. He maintained the convictions and sentences recorded by the trial court against the accused. Stop. Para. On the 3rd of January 1957, a division bench of this court admitted the state appeal for hearing by a division bench. Stop. The appeal against acquittal came up for hearing before me and my learned brother when learned counsel for the respondent raised a preliminary objection against the maintainability of the appeal by the state against acquittal. Stop. After hearing the counsel for the parties, we decided to refer the matter to a full bench on account of its importance and also in view of some conflict in the judicial decisions by other high courts. Stop. Para. Now, before us, counsel for the accused respondent contends that the judgment of the High Court passed by single judge on an appeal by the respondent against his conviction is final and cannot be interfered with by way of alteration, reversal or review in view of section 369 and section 430 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Stop. In this view of the matter, he urges that the state appeal has become incompetent and incapable of hearing stop. There appears to be a considerable force in this contention stop para. It is admitted by the learned counsel for the state that the appeal against conviction preferred by the respondent was decided after full hearing in the presence of both the parties and after due notice to them stop. In such a situation, I am firmly of the opinion that the judgment of the trial court has merged in the judgment of the High Court and has indeed been replaced by it. Stop. Section 417 of the Criminal Procedure Code, which enables the state to file an appeal against acquittal, provides such an appeal to the High Court from an original or an appellate order of acquittal passed by any court other than a High Court. Stop. Para. The contention of the learned counsel for the state that the judgment passed in appeal by this court was not final because it was an exception provided for in section 417 of the code cannot prevail, as section 417 itself provides an appeal only against orders of acquittal passed by any court other than the High Court. Stop. It is significant to note that Criminal Procedure Code does not provide a second appeal in criminal cases. Stop. Section 430 of the code, however, provides two exceptions to this rule of finality of judgment. Stop.